This is one of the devices we have to use for this lab. In this device we have a meter section for measuring voltage, current, resistance, and we also have a regulated power supply that provides DC supply, and in this section we get AC supply. So in the meter section we have 3 ports, the red, blue and brown. When we want to measure voltage or resistance, we have to use the red port, and when we want to measure the current, we have to use the brown port, and blue is common for all the measurements. And these two are the function buttons to set up the multimeter. Here you can see DC, and on this side AC, RMS, and also voltage or current and ohms. So this picture shows that upright position, and this is when the switch is pressed. So if you want to measure any DC quantity, the DC is on the left, so the switch will be in upright position. And if you want to measure any AC quantity, then this switch has to be pressed so that the measurement is done for AC. And if you want to measure resistance, then you have to press this, because ohm is on the right hand side corresponding to the position when the switch is pressed. And if you want to measure voltage or current, then this switch will be in up position. For example, now I am showing how to measure a resistance. So we preferably try to use a cable that matches the color of the port. So we use a red cable to connect to the appropriate port, and we use a blue cable to connect to the common port. Now we shall measure resistance. So we have to set the ammeter as ohm meter. So I have pressed this button, and I can simply quote. So the resistance is approximately 1 kilo ohms, and these are the range buttons. When I want to measure any quantity, then I have to select the appropriate range. The set range should be more than the anticipated quantity. So if I want to, for example, measure 1 milliampere current, then I have to set a range 2 milliampere or more.